catastrophic head-on collision involving a passenger bus called Opit travelers and a cargo trailer has left dozens of passengers feared dead and many others critically injured along the busy Kampala-Gulu highway. The fatal accident occurred at Gulu Bobi, a non-transit stretch just south of Gulu city involving an Opit company bus that was traveling from Kampala. According to eyewitnesses accounts and preliminary reports from the scene, the Opit bus was heading north toward Gulu city when it reportedly veered out of its lane, crashing directly into the path of an incoming heavy commercial trailer. The impact completely shattered the front section of the passenger bus, trapping numerous commuters inside the wreckage. Local residents and passing motorists rushed to the scene immediately following the impact, working frantically to pull survivors from the mangled iron. We have removed all the blood and critical scenes to protect the viewers and the community like you. While the exact number of fatalities has not yet been officially confirmed by the Traffic Police Directorate, first responders at the scene report that multiple passengers died on impact. Emergency medical teams have evacuated dozens of injured survivors, rushing them to regional health facilities, primarily St. Mary's Hospital Acholi and Gulu Regional Referral Hospital for urgent medical intervention.
People are dying of pain.
Yes, Afande, good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
This is me, Gavin, from National News Desk, Uganda.
Yeah.
I wanted to confirm about the accident that happened now.
Yeah, the accident is here.
Yes.
In Ziti, Bobby, yes?
Bobby, yes.
Yeah, Bobby.
Yes.
Yeah, the bus has fallen down.
It was from where?
Here in Bobby, after Gulu, when you left Gulu,
Yeah, I was asking which direction was the bus heading.
I don't know this place very well because I was coming from that side.
Okay, it was coming from Gulu to from Gulu to Kampala. Or Kampala to Gulu?
Kampala. This one, the bus was coming from Kampala.
Yeah.
When it's going to Gulu.
Hey, and then it
has knocked with the trailer.
Knocked a trailer.
Yeah.
A station trailer or the station trailer
the
or
trailer, the trailer which is not the trailer doesn't have anything, but the trailer is knocked by with whatever. But on what trailer is standing over, it was turning. I don't know.
Hey, okay. How many casualties?
They are dying more.
How many casualties?
They are very many. Some of them they have already died.
Many have died, eh?
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
All the drivers, all what they have died.
What? For the bus or for the
the bus, the accident is too big, man. That's what I can say. The bus is too big. Many people, not everyone that died. If like you are going to rescue, like you are going to receive like 4 of them which is alive.
Okay.
But others died.
Only 4 survived. Only 4 survived.
I think like we have not yet counted the people who is now have the life, but I think like some of them they have died.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
The violent collision left the wreckage of both massive vehicles blocking both lanes of the highway. By daybreak, a massive traffic gridlock had built up, stretching for over a kilometer in both directions. Dozens of cargo trucks, passenger buses, and private vehicles bound for Gulu, Helego, and South Sudan remain completely stranded as traffic police work to secure the scene and clear the debris. Here, grief and uncertainty fill the air as relatives stream into the hospital to check on their loved ones. You can watch it direct from the hospital.
Casualties all full. We have activities, accident from Bobby has taken place and it is not a good scene. The facility is just full. Completely full.
Authorities are urging anyone with relatives who traveled from Kampala to Gulu aboard the Opit bus to contact emergency coordination lines or check directly with the casualty wards at Gulu Regional Referral Hospital and Lacho Hospital. A formal statement from the Uganda police force regarding the definitive casualty count and the exact cause of the crash is expected later today.